Hello everyone, I hope you're all hale and healthy. Today I'll be discussing with you the importance of wall design decorations in enhancing the room beauty. Wall decoration and wall design are essential elements in the interior design, playing a crucial role in transforming a room from a mere space into a vibrant and inviting sanctuary. The walls of a room serve as a canvas, providing an opportunity to express personal style, evoke emotions, and create a specific ambience. Effective wall decoration can elevate the aesthetic appeal of a room, adding depth, texture, and visual interest. Whether through the use of artwork, mirrors, shelves, or other decorative elements, wall decoration can help to create a cohesive and harmonious atmosphere, tying together various design elements and furniture pieces. Moreover, wall design itself can greatly impact the overall look and feel of a room. Options range from bold paint colors and statement wallpapers to textured finishes and architectural details. A well-designed wall can create a sense of height, grandeur, or intimacy depending on the desired effect. For example, vertical strips can make a room appear taller, while horizontal strips can make it seem wider. Some ways wall decoration and design can enhance room beauty include adding texture and depth. Incorporating elements like textured wallpaper, wooden accents, or three-dimensional art can add visual interest and depth to a room. Creating a focal point. A statement piece of art, a bold color, or an eye-catching design element can draw attention and create a focal point in the room. Establishing a mood or atmosphere. Different colors, patterns, and textures can evoke various emotions and create a specific ambience such as calmness, energy, or sophistication. Reflecting personal style. Wall decoration and design can be used to express individuality and showcase personal interests, hobbies, or passions. Tying together design elements. A well-chosen wall design decoration or design can help to unify disparate design elements and create a cohesive look. Now, when it comes to wall decoration, there are numerous options to consider. First is artwork. Paintings, prints, photographs, or posters can add personality and style to the room. On number 2, mirrors can create the illusion of a larger space, add light, and provide a touch of elegance. Shelves can be used to display decorative items, books, or other personal treasures. Wall decals can also add a pop of color, pattern, or texture to a room. And lastly, textiles, tapestries, fabric panels, or quilted wall hangings can add warmth and texture to a room. In terms of wall design, some popular options include paint. Bold colors, subtle neutrals, or rich hues can greatly impact the mood and atmosphere of a room. Wallpaper. Statement wallpaper, subtle textures, or classic patterns can add visual interest and personality to a room. Paneling. Wooden paneling, wainscoting, or raised panels can add a touch of elegance and sophistication. Architectural details like columns, archways, or built-in shelves can create a sense of grandeur and drama. By carefully selecting and combining wall decoration and design elements, individuals can create a space that not only reflects their personality but also enhances their mood and well-being. That's it for today. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out the notification of our upcoming video. Also, comment down below which other topic would you like us to discuss. Thank you. Goodbye.